Hello everyone, this is Neetu Srivastav. Once again, welcome you all in English 1 lesson number 4 video part 2, where you will see the book work and the copy work of this lesson. So children, please ready for it and take out your book, lesson number 4 book exercise. Student, welcome back in English 1 lesson 4 video part 2, where I am going to discuss with you lesson 4 book work and copy work. So let's start and take out page number 53. Children, on this page you are seeing that first question start with a tick the correct option. You see there are 3 questions and each question has 4 options. You have to find out which one is the correct. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1. Who begins the story? So 4 options are there. A option a big tree, B option a bird, C option a tiny plant, and D option a child. So what is the correct answer? A very tiny plant. Now go to the next question. Where does the very tiny plant live? So answer in a house, in a nest, in the soil, or in a mango seed. So correct answer is in a mango seed. 3 number, what does the tiny plant see in the sky one day and feel excited? So 4 options are there. A option stars, B option clouds, C option moon, and the D option sun. So children, remember what is the correct answer? Yes, the clouds. Now children, B, you have to find out who says the following words. Circle the correct names. Here you see 4 statements are given there, and in the bracket 2 options have given. You have to find out which one is the correct option. So let's start with the first question. When raindrops fall on me, I just love it. Now children, remember who told this? Yes, tiny plant. Come on and get out of the seed. Who said to whom? Yes, the sun said to tiny plant. I like to dance in the cool breeze. Mango plant, all the girl. Mango plant said, I like to dance in this cool. No, the girl said, I like to dance in the cool breeze. So children, tell me who said this? I like to dance in this cool breeze. 2 options, mango plant and the girl. So correct option is mango plant, because mango plant was very happy when see the breeze wind is blowing very sweet. 4th one, what a beautiful plant you are. Who said? Monkey or the girl? The answer is the girl. Now question C, you see write true or false. Children, here again 4 sentences have given, and in front of the boxes have made. You have to find out which is the true and which is the false. The very tiny plant sleeps most of the time. Yes, true. Only the rain helps the plants to grow. False. Here you will write false. Then when the tree grows up, apples grow on it. When the tree grows up, the apples grow on it. False. The mango tree has a happy life. True. So children, this way you complete this book part. Now go to the copy work. So student, in this slide you see the complete book work of this lesson number 4. Let's see the copy work. I am showing you in the next slide. English 1 copy, and you make the headline like this. You have to make headline like this. Then right side you make classwork, and left side you will write down date, and then lesson number 4 and the name of the lesson, the story of a tree. Then children, you will start writing difficult words from here. See, then here you see first difficult word is tiny. You will write 4 times. Then second difficult word is orchard. You will write 4 times. ORCHARD, orchard. Tiny, 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 and all. Then third difficult word is soil. SOIL. You have to write 4 times. This way you will complete this whole part. Now children, go to the next part. In this second page you see 4 difficult word is breeze. BREEZE. You have to write 4 times. Then fifth difficult word is happen. HAPPEN. You will write 4 times happen. Then Come to the next part, word and meaning. So meaning, first word is tiny. Tiny means very small. Second word is orchard, means garden. Third is visit. Visit means to go to see the person or place for a period of time. So this way children you will complete this word meaning. Now come to the next part, answer the following question. Children, here 3 questions I have given. You will see question number 1. Where does the very tiny plant live? The answer is the very tiny plant lives inside a mango seed. Now come to the next question. What does the tiny plant see in the sky one day and feel excited? The tiny plant sees the clouds in the sky one day and feel excited. Okay, now go to the next question. Who loves to play in the shade of mango tree? Children love to play in the shade of mango tree. So children, this is the question answer. Last question, frame the sentence. Here you see 3 words I have given: mango, bird and tree. You have to make the sentence in your own word, then you will understand how to use these words in a sentence. Okay children, so this way children you will complete your book and copy work together. Children, I hope after watching video part 2 you will understand everything. If you have any problem you can call your teacher or contact with WhatsApp. Thank you children. So students, thanks for watching English 1 lesson number 4 video part 2. I hope children after watching this video you will complete your book work and copy work of lesson 4 in English 1. Stay home, stay safe children. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.